The knife is out, and you know what that means. It's unboxing time, and this in Microbrands Unscripted, it's going to be unscripted. It's going to be another one of the channel regulars. Going to be coming from Italy as well. As you know. Oh, they included the. Oh, okay, guys, that was dangerous. You see another one wherein they included the strap outside the package. Always be careful at unpackaging your packages because you'll never know what you're gonna cut. And there you go. That's the. Something else there? No, no. Okay. And that's the brand Viqueria. You know, this very humble micro brand has been making waves with their models. They've always been sold out. They're a very small operation, and they've always been generous at helping us out with their watches. And this one that they're sending in, this is a loaner, so we're going to send this back to them. It's a prototype, but we're deeply honored to be chosen by Viqueria once again. And again, this is a very small and humble micro brand that barely earns any profit from their watches. I guarantee you, I know so because I know how their costs work. I'm just amazed that they continue to be in business because, you know, how are you going to be in business if you hate money? This brand hates money. Okay, anyway, let's begin. Some people will cry, hey, it's already 1 minute, 2 minutes, and you haven't really done anything. Okay, I literally like wrecked the whole box there. And there's a card here. Grazie. Okay, thank you. Viqueria. Trecento, you see there, that's the model that we're going to review. What do we have here? Okay, some stuff, mumbo jumbo stuff. And there's a lot of, what is this? Is this actual candy? Whoa, okay. Should I eat it now? Okay. Should I eat candy? Here you go. So that's the. Here's more stuff there. Okay, no. That's gonna make a lot of mess on your table or anything. Okay, what's this? Okay, so that's the product sheet. I'm going to work on that. This is the product itself. It comes now with this black travel case, travel roll, travel pouch that folds into 4. See there, Viqueria. I love it. All black, all black. Okay. See extra links. They probably sized that ahead of time because they know that I have like small princess pirate wrists. Undressing my Seiko Tuna there. And there we are. That is the Trecento. Wait, why is it like, is it Tucentic? Why is it Tucentic here? Okay, anyway, I'm going to be addressing that later on. Okay, so this is a GMT with a dive bezel. Okay, so there's a GMT, diverse GMT. There's also a square shape, nice square profile there, as you can see. Well, squares in, guys. And this is definitely not a cubitus, but it's probably as big as one. Let's see. Okay, we have like a very nice bracelet there. Oh, display case back too. That's a nice touch. I don't recall. Oh no, wait. I do have a Viqueria that has a display case back. And there it is. It's square. It's rather big and bulky, but not too much. You can see that lugs there are just enough not to give any overhang on my 6 1/4 inch wrist. Okay, so let's move this around. Side. Yeah, it's a very nice bezel as well. I'm not sure if that is a ceramic bezel. I think it is because I mean, like, it can't be that shiny if it's not. But it could be sapphire too. But I think it's a ceramic bezel. Ceramic bezel with a GMT right there. we're going to check that out, whether that's a Colors GMT or a Travelers GMT. We're going to check it out soon. And that is a very nice and very muscular profile, if I may say. And it has a helium escape valve as well. And that is a very, very capable. It seems capable, and it's a really hefty diver. And it has that very desirable color as well. I actually asked for a different one. I asked for the green version, but this is the only one that they have left. And this loaner is going to be sent back, of course, to Viqueria once I'm done with the review. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Viqueria Trecento. I know it's Trecento, not Tucentic. I don't know why that's on the dial there. So that could be a printing mishap there. But this looks like a very solid offering from Viqueria, something different from them, and I think it's a capable watch. Definitely some design choices there that I may not like. The hands are a little bit suspect there with the hands, especially with that GMT hand. But I'll reserve my review once I work with this a little bit more. And also, like, it deserves to be worn a little bit, a couple of weeks before I turn in the review. And I think that's more than fair for a review. And I just wanted to give it a fair shake before I return. And yeah, you know, we pirates, we want our watches and we want to keep them. So shame on you, Viqueria, for wanting me to send it back to you. Okay, this should be mine. It should stay in the ship, but I have to send it back. So as a punishment for that, I'm going to hold on to it and wear it the heck out of this watch while I have it. But of course, my viewers are not gonna tell Viqueria. They don't care about me. So whatever. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I don't even know if they're going to watch it until this part. So they'll never know. Viqueria will never know what I'm planning on doing this on this. Okay. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And the good and interesting comments will make it in to the actual video review. Let's try this again. Not bad. There's some backplay there, as you can see. Yeah, and you could see the GMT marks on the 300.